sat through a long MPD presentation, listened to every word, took notes, and still walked away thinking, I didn't really get it? You're not alone. Most MPD explanations are irrelevant, incorrect, or confusing. They overcomplicate something that's actually very simple. Forget even the IADC definition for a moment. Think of MPD as a way to change the effective mud weight in the wellbore, instantly. That's it. That's the core of MPD. You've got it. You may have the equivalent of, for example, 16 ppg at the bottom of the hole right now. If that's too heavy, you drop it, quickly and smoothly, in seconds. If the formation needs it, you can make it behave like 15 ppg just as fast, without touching a sack of barite. Now you think about it with an engineer's mindset. Ask yourself how this kind of instant pressure manipulation could help you take more control of your operations, whether that's drilling, tripping, running liners and screens, cementing, or even perforations and fracturing with lighter fluids. Reflect on it in each of your projects. Once you see it, the possibilities open up fast. Keep thinking about this. I'll be back with more materials.